At this time of year, one of the most frequently asked questions we get at Locked On is, should we include an end of year video to our database? And if we do, what's the goal? Who do we send it to? So let's just have that quick discussion. I absolutely think there should be a video that goes out to your database. It simply builds goodwill. It's not about a strong call to action or booking appraisals. It's simply another touch point to nurture your pipeline of potential sellers. I think it can be as simple as this. Hey, it's Aaron Shiner here. What a crazy year it's been. I just wanted to take 30 seconds out of my time to wish all my clients a very Merry Christmas and a very safe and Happy New Year. From my family to your family, a very Merry Christmas. When you need me in the new year, you know where to find me. Tap me on the shoulder and let's start a conversation. I'm really looking forward to being of service to the community this year, and what a crazy year it has been. We've seen some amazing wins, and I think next year is going to be even bigger and better. So from my family to your family, a very Merry Christmas. Have a great day. 25, over and out. We know that the landscape in real estate is changing so rapidly, and we know that recency now beats loyalty. We've got to find ways to become more recent and more relative, and that example of a Christmas message allows us to stay recent while building goodwill. You might say to me, Aaron, when should I send it? Let's be clear, it shouldn't be sent on Christmas Day, not even Christmas Eve. In my opinion, it should be done the week before Christmas, on that Tuesday, Wednesday, or Thursday, giving them time to respond. So get in there, make that video, schedule it in Locked On, and get it sent out. Take care, bye for now.